Welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. I thought that since it's October, it would be fun to do a character hairstyle. So I looked at some Outlander hairstyles put together by Sivu Plates, and I will link her video in the description because it's awesome. She does 3 different styles and she has great tips along the way about hairstyling. So I really liked the Jenny style, so that's the one that I'm going to try today. It starts with a half up, okay, and then we're going to 3-strand English braid this. Another brush. Now I'm going to wrap this into a bun at my crown and keep it as flat to my head as I can. And what helps with that is pinning as you go. As per usual, I'm struggling to find my pins. Okay, so then split what's left in half and do a braid on each of those. One of the tips from Sivu Plates is braid directionality, that you want to be trying to braid the hair in the direction that the final braid is going to lie to avoid bumps. Okay, and now we're going to cross these over in the back and wrap them around the other braid. I'm trying to move this braid up a little bit so there's room for you to actually see the pretty cross of the braids at the back. Yeah. Top, and then another tip that she mentions is when wrapping these parts around, go underneath so that you're not covering over that detail. Okay, so my, of course, bun here ends up much larger than Jenny's or most people's, but I like it. And I feel like this is the perfect time to use a Celtic kind of looking flexi, so where can I stick that in to look cute? Maybe right at the bottom here. This is just decorative, not using it functionally. Yeah. So, if you're pondering an Outlander style Halloween costume, there you go. And like I said, be sure to check out the original video because it's very cool. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're going to get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.